Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix mouse double clicking or single click in Windows 11. So to resolve this problem you can try this method. Click on start. Now type here main.cpl and open this setting main.cpl, and here guys make some slow speed little bit. Then here click on pointer options and uncheck this box enhance pointer. Then here click on apply, then click on OK, then click on OK. Now open File Explorer. Now three dot and options. Now make sure this option is selected. Double click to open an item. Single click to select. So apply, then click on OK. Now open Device Manager. Now expand mic and other pointing devices. Right click on your mouse driver and update driver. Now exit and restart your system. After restart, still you are facing same problem. So access Device Manager. Now this time right click on it and uninstall device. Once you uninstall device, your mouse will not work. So press Alt plus F4. Now here just you have to select restart. You have to select restart, and after restart again come here and click on action and click on scan for hardware changes. You can use tab and arrows key to move your cursor anywhere like this. So this is the possible way guys to fix and resolve this mouse problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method worked for you or not.